I'm Sergeant Warren, an 88 Lima, a watercraft engineer. My skills and experiences learned in the United States Army as a civilian and my hobby have given me the ability to do different things and apply myself in different ways. Today we're expanding upon some of the things we learned last week about drown proofing and learning how to deploy life rafts. And sometimes when a life raft deploys, it'll be in an upside down position. So the idea is that you have to flip it over so you can get inside. We've learned skills and techniques to help us stay alive and survive an emergency disaster at sea. My first 4 years in the military taught me mechanical aptitude, which really helped me later on in life and helped me expand upon other things that I encountered when I decided to become a civilian. As I got out and became a civilian, I was very successful. I was just looking for something different and something exciting again in my life. So I decided to join the United States Army. As an advisor, I got to travel the world and do a lot of different things. I've gotten to experience different cultures, different religions, different beliefs, and meet different people from around the world, try different foods, do a lot of traveling. And it really helped me understand what it felt like to be a human being on this earth and help other people out and have that impact that I want to have in the world. If you're thinking about joining the United States Army, there's a lot of things to think about. What you want to do, where you want to go. You have a lot of opportunities. You can pick a job, you can go somewhere, and you can choose to do that for a while. If you decide to expand upon your horizons, I would say I would take advantage of all the opportunities that the United States Army has. I realize that everybody around the world wants to do exactly what I want to do. Everybody just wants to raise their family, they want to take care of themselves, and they want to be successful. And I feel like as a United States soldier, that's what I get to do. I'm Sergeant Warren. Be all you can be at GoArmy.com.